Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the investor grievance mechanism, the last head in the client management system. What is grievance? Nothing but solution. Whenever there is two persons, a dialogue is going on, a discussion is going on, we can potential chance of expecting issues. How could I? Even a single man by themselves there will be issue. In the case, in this market, that is share market, especially in the online market, there are lot number of people, million number of people happening the trading in the market in a day, in hour. In those cases, there is a point of a misunderstanding between a group of people. When that is the case, who is going to be help the investor set out of the issues? Where is the mechanism? Whom do I represent? So what is the solution they are going to given to me, or what are the grievances are they going to be given to me? This and all is summarized, and it is named as the grievance mechanism system, which is introduced by securities market SEBI to its own investors. That is named as SEBI compliance redress system. This system is the largest database ever made in India to receive all such kind of issues compliance from all the parties respective to the particular domain. Once these data are collected, then it will be processed according to the nature. So what is the salient features of this course is a centralized database system. So which mean everything will come under the purview of a central. That means no one can escape from the eye of the corporate body. An online movement of compliance, very quick, fast. It can be reached to the person. It's very important. And uploading the online action taken reports, so it will be reaching the investor very quickly, and anyone can view its own status of issues or complaints made by themselves. So it all make it, what is the point, how, what is it is saying, that mean it is a open, anyone everyone can see the things are happening in the particular issue. So no information is hoarded, no information is to be kept away from the eye of the particular client or investor or anybody in the market. It will be open up to know everybody. It doesn't mean that that particular client alone know about the issues. Yes, the genuine issues, common issues can be established in the general areas of that particular course. So it is very important. Yes, I am protected. That's a environment, or maybe a confidence given by the course management system. And how it is going to be processed under the course is, first is receipt of information. The information can be, that mean what we called a grievance can be received from anybody, either from the client or from the client manager or from the any respective parties belong to the particular domain. It should be come along with here the receipt number and the compliant number. Once it's received, that compliance will be addressed with here the compliant number and followed by redressal. When the redressal is taken at the first place, that means whenever the compliance is received by SEBI, immediately that compliant can be sent to the respective person and receiving their what we called arbitration is also, that means their point of view and their explanation is also. Once this compliant and explanations received from the concerned party will be discussed, and enough number of what we called solution is given to the parties. That is what is called redressal of complaint. If they are accepted, no issue. They can be the problem is resolved. If the particular person, the receiving that solution is given by the company, sorry, that is the SEBI is not to be accepted by the particular party or either of the party, they can go to the last leg, that is called arbitration. There is separate committee was framed by scores for the resolving the issues based on the market issues. So that the place where you can be finally uh, go to for getting the solution for their issues. And what type of complaint can be redressed? Complaints can be against exchange members and a complaint against the listed companies. These are two categories are provided by the scores. You can either raise the question with the existing members, that's called the established exchange members of the particular market, and the listed companies. So by this way, the company or maybe the clients can be resolved there the issues. So finally, what it is going to given to the market, what it is the convey the message to the investor is your investment is protected, your issues can be redressed, your issues can be resolved, and be the member of the market for ever and ever.